Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix there might be a problem with a driver for the Wi-Fi adapter. This is the basic step by step. Follow the steps. Go to the first step for you will continue for the steps to solve your problem. Okay, then close and error to go to the first step for you will click to search bar. Search the device manager. Then click to open. Then my PC further slow. You will not skippable to you will continue to the video. Okay. Then anyone missing this video. Okay. Then you will click to the network adapter. You will double click to open the network adapter. Then see the network adapter. Then click to the update driver. Then see the search automatically for the drivers. You will click to you will best driver is installed. Okay. Then wait for a few minutes for the best driver is your device is already installed. Then okay. Then go to the next step. This step is not working only. You will right click to uninstall to you will attempt to remove then you will this is the disable to you will get uninstall to uninstall it to you will see the scan and hardware changes then click to select it to this written automatically is device added. Okay, then this step is finished. To go to the next step or you will click to the search bar, search the CMD. Then right click to you will see the CMD product. This is my PC for the slow. Okay, then wait. Sorry, then this is the get to open the CMP tool. You will first typing for ipconfig flash DNS. After you will second typing for not space ipconfig space and slash flash DNS. You will click to enter. You will not space next typing for winsock space reset. You will click to enter to then successful reset the Windows catalog. You must restart your computer to complete the reset. Then you will typing for the exit. Then you will click to the Windows icon. Get restart your PC or laptop to this problem is solved. After check this error for 100% fix it. Thank you for watching.